We welcome you to our channel, View Life Word. In this video, we are showing you a very interesting video of the villages of Pakistan. You have never seen such a video before. This video shows a beautiful view of the life of the farmers of Pakistan, which you have never seen before. The farmers of Pakistan are very hardworking and focused. In this video, I am showing you how Pakistani farmers work hard and how they work in their homes. Pakistani farmers are more hardworking and honest than all the farmers in the world. In this video, we will show you their lifestyle. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Pakistani farmers are considered to be very hardworking and tenacious among the farmers of the world. In this video that we are showing you, the farmers have kept animals in their homes. They also do farming, and among the animals, they have kept cows, buffaloes, and goats. Traders come to them to buy animals. You can see that animals are being traded. The traders have come to this farmer's house to buy cows and buffaloes. Traders and farmers are busy trading cows and buffaloes. There is a bargaining between farmers and traders. Farmers have quoted a high price for their animals, but traders want to buy them at a lower price. Farmers have demanded rupees 1.5 lakh for an animal, but traders seem unable to pay this price. Therefore, the deal has been cancelled, and traders have started returning to their homes. Now we are going to show you the environment of the farmer's house. This farmer has installed a fodder cutting machine for animals in his house, which was installed in his house in the year of 1990, which is made of long wood and iron, which is very rare to see these days. Now, people do this work through Peter's engine, but this farmer still has this machine. This machine does not require electricity, water, or petrol to operate. This machine is operated by only one animal: buffalo, bull, buffalo, camel, etc. It is very interesting to see because thou wilt not find this environment anywhere today. People enjoy seeing this method very much. This method is 100 years old, which is still kept alive by the farmers of Pakistan. This scene must be very beautiful to you. You will not see this scene anywhere. The farmer has now started covering the eyes of his animal, so that the animal does not run away in fear or does not cause any harm. These animals are first taught. Then the farmers do this kind of work with these animals. The environment of the houses of Pakistani farmers is completely simple and attractive because their environment is completely rural. Dear viewers, this animal will move in a circle and the fodder-making machine will start its work. Wow, what a thing! Look at this! It is a black buffalo which moves in a circle, and the fodder-making machine is making fodder very fast. You will rarely get these scenes. The farmer has taken a stick to scare the animal and increase its speed. As soon as the farmer lightly hit the buffalo with a stick, it started running fast. Just as fast, the machine started making fodder. This machine that is running is called toka in Punjabi, through which farmers make fodder for the animals. The farmer has prepared the fodder. Now look, the animal has also stood up. It is no longer wandering around, but has stood in one place. Now, the farmer is removing the tools, etc., from its neck. After that, he will tie his animal to its resting place to feed it fodder so that the animal can eat the fodder and also rest.